y'all know what time it is? It's apron giveaway time. I'm so excited. Are y'all as excited as I am? I'm going to try to do this right here with y'all. I've got this little thing right here that I'm going to put the URL video code to the pulled pork recipe, because that's the one, the oven's hot with our potatoes in it. So I'm going to put that right here, and I'm going to do this right here, and I'm going to hit paste. Can y'all see that? That's the URL number. And, y'all, I'm excited. We're also going to make some salad dressing, because we're going to grill some salmon for supper. Got potatoes in the oven. I'm going to cut up a salad. And this is our tomato juice puree stuff, that where I ran my tomato skins through the juicer. I put it in the freezer because I want it to stay just like fresh. I didn't want to can it and heat it because I want it to taste fresh. And it will. It tastes just like fresh. And I'm going to show y'all how to make the best salad dressing so that you can have your fresh tomato taste in your salads all winter. Y'all, this is the best, the creamiest tomato salad dressing, and you can flavor it with dill or herbs or rosemary or anything that you want to go with it. You can use to flavor this. I'm just going to use salt and pepper because that's just what I want to do today. But you can use dill. It's good that way. You can use different oils if you want to. I used to buy pistachio oil. Oh, yummy. Walnut oil. They're expensive, but if you're just using a little bit on a salad, oh, it just really makes them so yummy. So, first of all, we are going to draw our winner. We'll see who our winner is. All right. Go to the settings. Look here. It says it's scanning the comments. Y'all can probably see it pop up before I can. All right, now then I'm going to find one winner. All right, ready? It's finding you. Has it found a winner? 11 seconds left. Are we ready yet? There it is. Belinda Pina 6610 is the winner. All right. And you have, this is Wednesday evening. I'm going to give you till 6 o'clock on Friday, October the 4th, to email me. My email's in the description box of every video. You have to email me. If you do not email me by then, I'll pick another winner, okay? So Belinda Apenia 6610, you've got till Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time to email me so we can make arrangements so I can send you this apron, okay? Yay! We did it. I wasn't sure how that was going to work. Matter of fact, I'm going to look and see just where you're from. Let's see if it tells me. Let me go back, because this has been a week ago, you all. It has. It's been a while because, oh, there he is. Turn the lights back on. We've had a hurricane come through, and there is so much devastation around where we live. We are fine. We are on the hill. We do have to cross the river, one of the main rivers that kind of flooded. But it is a TVA-controlled river, so it didn't really do a lot of damage. But some of the other rivers that are not, the Nolichucky River just wiped out three communities, or four. Nolichucky is a word that the Cherokee Indians, which kind of settled in this area, they're kind of from here, means deadly waters. And it is deadly waters. It really is, you all. It's just unbelievable. It really is. I'm going. Here we go. Let's see. We're kind of back down here to where the pulled pork was. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm going to find you. I promise. Northern California. What about that? You live in Northern California. That's so exciting that my little apron's going to get to go all the way to California. All right, you be sure and email me now. You've got till 6 o'clock, Friday, October 4th, 2024, to email me. And I check that email all the time. So I'm really excited about that. Okie doke. Now then, we're going to make us some salad dressing. I'm going to show y'all what I got. Look at these. They sent these to me. And here he comes, being loud as always. They're lids. Shh, now be quiet. And they've got a little thing right here. And they've got a handle. I've washed them and put them on a jar. But these are wide mouth. You can get wide mouth or regular mouth. And they come in 2 in a package. I'm not sure how much they are. I'll put y'all a link in the description box. This is what they are right here. These are the neatest little things. So, we're going to use this one right here to make our salad dressing in, y'all. Right here. This is not quite thawed out. So I'm going to add just a little bit of warm water over it because it will thaw out in just a minute. And I'll be right back when that gets thawed out. Okay, bring y'all down this way just a little bit and turn you up. All right, now then, I've got some chives. I've got some mayo. Got some apple cider vinegar. I've got some tomatoes, and I've got some salt and pepper. And that's what we're going to use. All right, so here's our tomatoes, and this is about a cup of tomato juice puree. It's still got a little bit of ice in it. It does, it does. It's good and cold. To that, I'm going to add, and y'all, I usually don't measure. I usually just kind of wing this as I go along. But I know y'all like measurements. So there's 1/3 of a cup of mayo, and that is plenty. I know that is more than enough. Let's see, how many chives should I put in there? Put that over there in the trash. Tablespoon. We're going to go with that. Tablespoon. Now this I am just going to sprinkle because I do not know. There's a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay? And I'm telling you, you just have to go with me on that because I don't know. All right. And I'm going to add just a little bit of vinegar. About a tablespoon of vinegar. Because I just think it needs some vinegar. There's a tablespoon of vinegar. All right. And in here, the bottom of this, I should have shown it to y'all. I've used them before. Let me find another one. Here's another one. I've got one of these little mixing balls. Love these little things for salad dressings. Love them. I'll just put this lid on here right like this. Make sure that's down there. Just like that. Just shake it up. This is not a real thick dressing. If you want it thicker, add you a little more mayonnaise. Or make you some thickening of some sort. I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to taste it. See if it needs anything else. Because you never know, it might need a little more salt. Look at this. It is pretty thin. Y'all, just a taste of that. It's just like a fresh tomato. I'm telling you, you put this on a salad, it's like having a fresh tomato. It really is like having a fresh tomato. It is, it is. All right. So, Belinda in Northern California, remember, you have until 6 p.m. Eastern, which would be 3 p.m. Pacific time, Friday, October the 4th, to email me so we can get everything arranged so I can send you your apron, okay? And I'm tickled to death, and we'll do some more apron giveaways and some other giveaways and things along. Just keep watching, you all, and keep sharing, and the more subscribers I get, the more things I can give away. So, with all that being said, make you some salad dressing and order you some of these. Look at this. It'll just pour right out. You leave that little ball in there, and it'll just keep it mixed up. So, you all remember, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.